I got a Retrotech flow box, and this uses different ports here. And the CFM that you're trying to obtain is written on the side here. So I know that this is around 100 CFM. So that puts me on three rings open. So I'm going to measure the exhaust flow of this box by using the flow box and the DM32X. The DM32X has a setting in it for the flow box pre-installed, and it already does the math for us to figure out how much pressure differential equals the CFM of flow. And it does that by measuring the pressure inside here relative to outside here. I have this on a 10-second average, so I'm going to wait a little bit just to let this get an accurate reading, because the pressure could fluctuate a little bit in and out, and I want to have the average so I have a more accurate reading. The pressure that you're aiming for with the flow box is between 1 and 10 pascals of pressure differential. I'm at around 4, which is pretty ideal. You really want to be, around 4 or 5 in order to get the most accurate reading. It's stabilized pretty well at around 97 CFM for this exhaust. And this flow box can only measure exhaust. It can't measure supply. All right, so now I've got the ASIN flow finder. It's distributed by Retrotech. This is a powered flow hood, so where this one measures the pressure differential, the flow box measures the pressure differential. This uses a powered fan in here to equalize the pressure inside and out. So when we stick this on and measure, it's measuring the pressure inside here and the pressure outside here, and it's running the fan in order to equalize the two. Once it does that, it measures how fast the fan is going, and then that calculates the airflow. So this is telling us 108 CFM. This attachment, it has a few different attachments. This one needs a 3% deduction. So that puts us around 104 or 105 CFM of flow. And this told us 97 on the flow box. So 97, 104, we're pretty close. I do trust this powered flow hood more. It is calibrated by Retrotech. And it's certified, so it goes back every year and gets recalibrated to ensure its accuracy.